Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that AIMalls token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, AIMalls AIT is a tokenized AI-powered e-commerce platform that aims to merge personalized online shopping with blockchain technology. AI-powered marketplace. It is an online mall that uses artificial intelligence for personalized recommendations, customer service chatbots, and automated product categorization, blockchain integration. The platform is underpinned by its AIT token, offering cryptocurrency payment and aiming to unify Web2 and Web3 users. Comprehensive features. It provides tools for sellers and buyers, including live selling and affiliate program, image recognition, and AI-driven security and inventory management. AIMalls project institution rating is 3.9 and this project audited by Ceratic. AIMalls token total supply is 834,000 and circulating supply is around 200,000 AIT token. AIT token is listed on LBank and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you in this project, up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.